Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Facebook, whether it's your profile location, current city, or even your business page address. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Now, tap on your profile picture and go to your profile page. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down until you see the Current City or Hometown section. Tap on it, and you'll be able to type or search for your new location. Once you've selected your new location, just save your changes. That's it. Your Facebook location has been successfully updated. You can also choose who can see this information: public, friends, or only you. If you're managing a Facebook page, go to your page settings, tap on location, and enter your new address or area. This helps customers find your business easily on maps and check-ins. And that's how simple it is to change your location on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Facebook and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.